Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair channel. Today we are diving into the world of hair extension with a super trendy twist, balayage and ombre styles. If you are looking to add some flair to your mains, you are in the right place. Balayage. First up, let's talk about balayage extension.
I guess that you forgot the past. I see you happy, young in life. Can we talk about love? Let's talk about love.
Think of it like painting beautiful sun-kissed highlights onto your hair. With balayage extension, you get the effortless, live-in look that is all the rage. It's like you have just stepped out of the sun and your hair is soaking out those natural, gorgeous vibes. I've got a tutorial coming your way on how to seamlessly blend balayage extension with your own hair, giving that stunning gradient effects without breaking a sweat. Ombre Obsessions. Now, if you are into a more dramatic exchange, ombre extensions are the way to go. It's all about the smooth transitions from one color to another, creating the contrast. Picture this: darker roots gracefully transform into lighter tips or vice versa. It's like a color journey to your locks. In my upcoming video, I will spill the tea on how to effortlessly rock ombre extension, making heads turn wherever you go. Maintenance made easy. The best part? Balayage and ombre extension are not just gorgeous, they are also low maintenance. You won't need to rush into a salon every few weeks for touch-up. I will be sharing some quick and easy tips to keep your balayage and ombre extension looking fabulous for longer, so you can slay the stylish look without hassle. Stay tuned for the tutorial and let's embark on this hair adventure together. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join our fabulous communities. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thank you and see you again.